So you want to know how to download Capcut in 2024, where I have the solution for you. You have to go to Google and search for Capcut, but be aware that you can be scammed because sometimes Google advises some scam websites. So make sure that this say capcut.com, press it, and you will be in the Capcut website. So you have to press this blue giant button that says download, click it, and the download will start. So save it, double click in the download, and once you open the CapCut desktop installer, you have to press location and change the location of the download, so you don't have to use a disk that you don't want to use. And that's simple. You will have CapCut in a few seconds. It will take no time, as you can see. I'm already finishing. Okay, so once the installation finishes, the CapCut application will open. So here it is. I have CapCut totally free because it is free. But you can buy the premium version. So I let the link in the description for you, and see you next time in the next video. Thank you. Easy way.